The ketchup smells like ketchup. I gotta say, ugh, I don't like it. Ugh. But it is stretchy. I like a gack.
Welcome back, everyone. We have Num Noms, the very latest Num Noms. And we got them straight from MGA Entertainment. So thank you, MGA, for sending us the very latest Num Noms.
I have 2 packs of Num Noms Collectible Cereal. They're brand new.
You add water for magic milk surprise. And there's 12 surprises inside. So we got 2 of these, and then we have
the Num Nom Dippers. It changes colors. This is Series 1. These are brand new.
But it says, don't eat me. These are all non-edible Num Noms. I can't wait because I have never opened any Num Noms. So this is my first try at Num Noms.
And I need you to teach me all about Num Noms. So if there's anything special, please leave it down in the comments.
Also, now is a good time to freeze everything and hit that subscribe button.
So you can watch all our awesome videos over and over again.
Alright, let's get started. The first one I'm going to open is the Num Nom Dippers. Changes colors. I can't wait to see that. So, there's a peel here tab. I'm going to pull that down. There we go. And there's some blind bags inside. And here's a little pack.
Oh, it says refrigerate first. Dump dippers for surprise. So I need to put this in the refrigerator.
So I'll tell you what, let's open these 2 first. We'll put them in the refrigerator and then we'll come back to it. And while those dippers are in the refrigerator, let's open up the collectible cereal. There we go, I'm peeling it off, and look, there's all these blind bags inside. Ooh, look, it's a big old roll. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 little baggies.
And then there's one bigger one that's separate. Num Noms Snackables. 1 bowl, 11 characters, 1 surprise character, and 1 spoon with fizz. First baggie. And there's a little cereal. Actually, I forgot to show that we also get the collector's guide for all the surprises that we're going to find.
As usual, we expect to find some rare and some ultra rare.
Our first find is from the Checkers collection. It looks like a Checkers cereal, and it's Fudgy Square. Next we have, ooh, that looks yummy. It's really hard to tell, but is this Frosty Berry? This one? And if it is, she would be an ultra rare. Guys, I need your help. Who is this character? This one is nice and easy. It's from the Marshmallow series, Raz Cloud. She's kind of rubbery. The next one is a flower.
The flower is from the Marshmallow. It is Bee Berry Clover. It's stuck. What do we have?
This is Neela Heart. She's in the ring collection. Has, oh, look how cute that is.
It's Birthday Bunny.
Next, we have a little star.
This is Sweet Corn from the ring collection.
And, oh, this looks yummy. This is Frosty Cocoa.
Frosty Cocoa is from the Wheat Crisp collection.
This is from the Puffs collection, and it's Bluey and Berry Rounds. Bluey and Berry Rounds. These are pretty cool. Let's see who we have next. This must also be from the Puffs collection.
And And it looks like Angie Apple. Angie Apple.
I see purple. And it's BB wheat from the Wheat Crisps. BB wheat. Okay, so here's the bowl. You fill water until this line. Oh, and let's open up this surprise bag. See what we have.
Oh, it's a pink spoon.
I have a pink spoon. Smells very berry. I'm gonna add some water. Take all the characters, put them in the bowl. And now it's time to use the spoon.
I see something coming.
And our special character hidden inside is Ginger Bear. And he's a rare. Ginger Bear.
See, now you have a bowl of cereal with all kinds of neat surprises. You get to fish around and find your favorite ones.
Let's work on opening this one.
Now we know what to expect. So this is also series 1. And here's all the 11 surprises. Plus the spoon.
So let's open these. This is Milo Kitty from the Marshmallow Collection.
Blueberry Swirls, also from the Marshmallow Collection.
We have Toasty Tom from the Checkers Collection.
It's Mandio Mango. Mandio Mango from the Rings Collection.
And Corny Shreds.
This one, is this all the apples? Not sure.
This is Nana Flake.
And Razio Bear.
Another one from the Ring Collection, and this is the Barrio Twins.
And this is Blueberry Square. And the last one. I'm having a hard time with this. Is this Strawberry? I need your help, guys.
So here are the 11 surprises.
Now it's time to add water up until that line.
And next we open the spoon surprise. Let's see what we got. Oh, we have a double color. It's a yellow spoon with blue and pink fizz.
This is the cotton candy milk. There's the fizz starting. Half of it is pink, half of it is blue.
And what surprise did we get?
This is Milo Heart. She's a rare. Another rare inside the spoon. So here's our cereal bowl with all our surprises inside, and the fizz is still going. Wow. Super!
Now it's time to look at our Num Nom Dippers, the color changing dippers, and I have the 2 packs here and the container that needed to be in the refrigerator. So it's been about 30 minutes. I hope it's ready. And we have our 2 packs of Num Nom Dippers here. Inside there's 1, 2 blind bags.
And the instructions and the collector's guide. Let's take a look. That's the Snackable Dippers, Big Dippers. And we're gonna get some sticks, there's some pretzels, there's some twists, there's some chips, veggies, fries, fruit skewers, marshmallows, waffles, cookies. I'm starting to get hungry. There's some little dippers. And there's the scented sauces like sweet caramel, sweet chocolate, blueberry syrup, rainbow jam, birthday cake icing. These just look like fun. So first, we have to refrigerate the secret sauce, which we've already done. Then you dump the dippers for special surprises. And dig for little dipper in the sauce.
We have cheesy dip.
No, cheesy chip. And there's a heart next to him, so that means he's an ultra rare. Wow.
And we have, ooh, it looks like a cookie. Looks like an Oreo cookie. Who's this?
This is cookies and cream.
Okay, so let's do the next one. Here's the gooey stuff. There we go. Oh, it's a pretzel. Cute little pretzel with purple icing. This is BB Knots. She's an ultra rare. Another ultra rare that we have. Oh, looks like a French fry. Who is this? This is, yeah, from the fries collection. This is ketchup crinkles.
Looks like she might like this ketchup here, huh?
It's yellow. Ooh, it's glittery. Let's see.
Dark crispy fry in there. See the pretzel.
Also, nothing's happening. Let's see. What do we have inside this gooey? Oh, first, what kind of sauce is this? It's the yellow glitter.
It's lemon jam. Yep, it does kind of smell like lemon. Look at all that glitter. That's pretty cool. And our little surprise, oh look, it's the same. Whoops. It's the same as this one.
Cheesy Christy.
And now we have some cool scented slime to play with.
So here's everything we got on the Num Noms Dippers, but I didn't notice any color changing really.
Maybe if I get a little hot water, let's see if we have anything that I might have missed. So here's our pretzel. Let's dip her in hot water. And no, I'm not really seeing anything. Let's make her go in the slime. No, I don't think she's a color change.
And here's our French fry. Dip her in hot water. Also don't see any change.
And what about the cookie?
No change in the cookie.
And Mr. Cheesy.
And there's no change. So it looks like none of my surprises were color changing, which is kind of a bummer. I was looking forward to seeing some color changing. We have the Lemon Gem Slime, which is a rare slime. It is so sticky.
Kind of yucky. Oh, gooey, 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 but it is beautiful.
And so sparkly. And then of course, we have the Ketchup Slime. Ugh.
Oh, there you go, right above the fry. This one is also super gooey. The ketchup smells like ketchup. I gotta say, ugh, I don't like it. Ugh. But it is stretchy. More like a yak. Back in that container. And I hope, oh, my hands smell like ketchup now. Ugh, that's gross. Do you like ketchup? Leave me a comment.
This one smells lemony. It doesn't smell too bad. Yeah, that smells good. And here are all the surprises we opened in this video. Num Noms, the very latest, aren't they cool? This is our very first Num Nom opening, and look at that! So much stuff to open.
I'd love to hear which ones are your favorites. And did you get any of the color changing ones? Because I didn't. If you're a new viewer, now is the time for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back. Make sure your notifications are on, and see you next time.